Hello everyone, I'm Fernando. Today I'll be doing guacamole. It's a Mexican dish, very easy to make and very healthy. Ingredients for guacamole: onion, tomatoes, lime, avocado, salt and pepper. Let's cut the avocado. Avocados in Mexico, look how beautiful this is. In Mexico, cheap. Here cheap. We went to the market and we get it for a good price. Look how beautiful. Putting my avocado on the plate, getting it ready. Nice. Look at this. Now I'm gonna smash them. Bad idea. Better with a fork. Now I'm gonna add some onion, tomato, some lime juice.
How many limes you use?
There's one lime in here. Time for salt and pepper.
Be careful, it can be too salty.
Time to taste it. I'm hungry. I'm gonna enjoy this.
Perfect?
Very good.
Really? I'm gonna
You're
judge.
gonna like it. This is how you eat guacamole. You get one totopo. Totopo is a fried tortilla. You can buy like this in the back. And then you dip it.
This isหน้าตา
So I
ตาไม้ไทยว่าตาไม้ไทยตาไม้มาลองบ้างนะคะ ความจริงเราถ้าจะใส่ผักชีด้วยก็ได้นะคะถ้าใครชอบผักชีอะแต่นี้เราไม่ได้ซื้อมาเนาะลืมIt's good.
Hello now. Salty enough. I love this. I'm really hungry now. Waiting.
ปกติแล้วนี้ก็จะเป็นเหมือนเครื่องเคียงนะหมายว่าแบบหรือไม่ก็เป็นอาหารกินเล่นนะคะไม่ได้แบบเป็นมื้อหลักอะไรเงี้ย It's just like a snack What is it
Yes.
like side dish
Like a side dish, exactly side dish. You can eat it with tacos, with quesadillas.
What else we can eat it with
When you arrive into the restaurant, you wait for the food. Like first dish, something like that.
Starters
Starter, yeah, starter.
Healthy
Healthy. Very good.
ทำง่ายนะคะแล้วก็healthy เนาะเพราะว่าไม่ได้มีน้ำมันไม่มีอะไรเลยทุกคนมันก็คือแบบอะโวคาโดที่เอามาบดเนาะแล้วก็ใส่ผักเข้าไปอ่ะแล้วก็บีบมะนาวใส่เกลืออย่างเงี้ยค่ะThat's it I can do it
Beans, guacamole. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This is my masterpiece. This is my recipe, guacamole. Hope you enjoy and try it at home. Have a good day. How was your turn? Now you can try.
So tired of you